Welcome to PowerPlay. PowerPlay is a reliable and a safe app for managing your construction site. You can make tasks, update site photos with progress, raise an issue, generate daily progress report, and also see all of the daily site activity all at one place, including your team. Open the PowerPlay app, go to the list of projects. Here you can create a new project. Enter the name of your construction site. Invite your site team. Click on Manage Project, go to Project Plan and select the work and add them in your project. Or you can add new work just by simply typing it and clicking on Create New. You can also edit the name of the work. You have added work in your project and the next step is to make tasks for your site team. Click on the plus icon and click Create Task. Type the name of the task and select the work category. Assign the task to a person on the site. You can also add the start date and the end date of the task. Great! Your task is created. You can also add more tasks by simply typing the task name and the task will be added below. If you want to edit the task, click on the task and tap the edit icon. Well done. Now you have added work in your project. How to update task progress?
Add site photos from your gallery. Select the photos which you want to attach with the task. Update the percentage work done on the site today. Enter the worker count. You can add more details about the task over here.
You can also raise an issue on a task if there was no progress on that task today.
You can also delete a task, but be careful, the site progress will be lost. How to raise an issue? Click on the plus icon and click on Raise Issue.
Type the issue. You can also add more details to it.
You can also raise an issue from here just by simply typing the issue and clicking on Raise Issue. Your team can reply on this issue and ask for a follow-up.
Once this issue on the site is solved, you can close the issue. Great! Now go to Home and see all of your daily site activity at one place. You can like or comment. Now, once you have updated the site progress or raised an issue on a task, you can simply download the DPR in one click.
You can see the today's progress of your site in the daily progress report. Invite your team to the project and start getting the updates. Still, if you have any queries, you can always click on the help button and send in your queries to us and we will reply it as soon as possible.